Welcome back to another tutorial challenge of a Bootstrap section of Free Code Camp, and in this one we're going to be creating a custom heading. So how are we going to do that? We will make a simple heading for our cat photo app by putting a title and relaxing cat image in the same row. Remember, Bootstrap uses the responsive grid system, which makes it easy to put elements into rows and specify each element's relative width. Most of Bootstrap's classes can be applied to a div element. So now it says that nest your first image and your H2 element, which is the first image, which is this one, and the H2 element with a single div class row, and then nest your no, sorry, my bad. Yeah, why am I thinking? I was right in the first place. Anyway, nest your H2 element within a div class called access8 and your image in a div class called access4, so they are on the same line. Notice how the image is now just the right size to fit along the text. Okay, so essentially saying that we need to bring the heading and the image in the same line, so they both should be in one row. All right, so let's do that. So we're gonna surround the H2 element with the div row class. So first of all, create an open tag, and then in this one say give this a class row, and then end this one to here. Alright, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna nest um, the H2 element with a div called access8, and I will come back to this 8 and 4 what do they exactly mean in a moment. So first of all, we can do them here. So div class nest UH2 element. Yep. So call access, and then that's 8, and then call. No, actually, I'm a bit wrong here, I think. Yes, sorry, my bad. That wasn't supposed to be that way. So I need to create another div. I'll just put them in in, in them so it's a bit easier to see for me. Alright, so I need to put the H2 element in another div. So open div and close div now, and then give this a class of call xs and 8. Alright, and then I'm gonna give the image the div class of call xs 4. Oh, that doesn't seem right. I might have done. No, I'm pretty sure I've done it right. Here we go. Yeah. Alright, so I'll just readjust these windows here. Right, cool. So this bit is done. Yeah. So it's essentially what these 4 and 8 means that there's CSS grid that comes in um hang on, I'll explain that properly. So it's essentially it's a grid-based layout system that actually converts your I would say CSS into rows and columns, and these here represent rows. So a row in a grid of CSS is made up of 12 columns. So if you wanna put the items right next to each other, but still they should fit the total width, you can play around with these numbers. So you should always at the end, whatever the numbers are, should always be equal to 12. So I can do 6 and 6. All right, I can do 8 and 8, which is wrong. You shouldn't do this. All right, so I will put this back to 4. Okay, hope you guys understood the concept behind these numbers. If you haven't, drop me a comment and I'll get back to you guys with some more detailed explanation as well. Alright, so I think this is it for this tutorial, and let's see if the test passes. Nope, it doesn't. Make sure each of your div elements has a closing tag. Oh, we've got the closing tag. Oh, right, my bad. So there should be a closing tag here because this one matches the top one here. So 1, 2, no, 1 and then 2 is here, and then this one's here, and then the main row is here. Alright, hopefully this one passes. Alright, it's on like a Donkey Kong. Alright guys, this is it for this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, have fun coding.